Hello, my name is Rachel Simpson, but you can call me Rev Ray. I'm the minister at Unity Spiritual Center of Anchorage, where we are about transforming lives and inspiring people to make a positive difference in their world. We focus on practical spiritual tools for becoming more skillful in this experience of life, as well as co creating a world that works for all through both inner work and social change. As we are online focused, our services and classes are all online. We've had people join us from all over the United States and several countries. If you are looking for a spiritual community, you are welcome here. We have a variety of ways to interact with spiritual content through videos of live messages and meditations, short informal videos, live online sessions where we dive together deep into topics, services, classes, book studies, prayer groups. We'd love to get to know you and share in your joy and trials of life. See you soon.